Let's solve 10 statistics multiple choice questions in this video. The first question, the median of scores 5, 8, 14, 16, 19 and 20. We need to understand that a set of even number of observations has no distinct value. Even number of observations idre distinct middle value iralla. Therefore, the median is usually defined to be the arithmetic mean of the two middle values. Median ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು arithmetic mean of two middle values ಅಂತ define ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. The set has even number of values. R value ಇದೆ ಈ set ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Hence, we have to find two middle values and arithmetic mean. The middle values are 14 and 16. Middle value 14 and 16. Arithmetic mean is given by, what is arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean is you add and divide by 2. 14 plus 16 divided by 2. 14 plus 16 is 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15. Answer is 15. Second one. The empirical relationship between three measures of central tendency. There is an empirical relationship between three measures of central tendency. Empirical relationship andre there is no proof. And the empirical relationship can be written in two ways. Mean minus median equals 1 divided by 3 of mean minus mode. If you simplify this, you can write it as 3 median equals mode plus 2 mean. Which means answer is B. This is a common question. ಈ ಥರ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Application question. The median and mode of group scores are 26 and 29 respectively. Then the mean of the score is. So we've been given median and mode. We have to find mean. We'll use the empirical relationship. Empirical relationship says 3 median equals 2 mean plus mode. Which means mean equals 3 median minus mode divided by 2. Median is given as 26. Mode is given as 29. So 3 times 26, 78. 79 minus 29, 49. 49 divided by 2 is 24.5. ಇದು ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೊಡೋ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ತುಂಬ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Basically uses the empirical relationship. Okay, empirical relationship ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಮೋಡ್ ಮೀನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. The answer is 24.5. This is an average mark question. It's a quite common question. So let us see what the question says. The average marks scored by a student on a test of 6 subjects is 18. ಒಂದು ಟೆಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. 6 ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಾವ್ರೇಜ್ 18 ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹುಡುಗನಿಗೆ. The sum of the marks scored by him in 5 subjects is 86. So he scored 86 in 5 subjects. So question is, how many marks were scored by him in the 6 subjects? 6th subject ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ? That's the question. How do you solve this kind of question? First we assume the missing score as x. Missing score ಅನ್ನು x ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. Mean ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Average score equals 18. Mean formula is sum of 5 subjects plus a known subject. So 86 plus x divided by 6. 6 is number of subjects equals mean. If you simplify 6 on the right hand side ತಗೊಂಡೋದ್ರೆ x plus 86 equals 18 times 6, which is 108. Which means x equals 108 minus 86, which is 22. So once mark namak gottilla, so we use x instead of that mark in the mean formula. We simplify and we get the answer as 22. The answer is D. Fifth question, another average mark question. A student scored 65 in first language, 50 in science, 55 in social science, and some marks in mathematics. So we need to find the marks in mathematics. If the average marks scored by him in all 4 subjects is 60, then marks scored by him in mathematics is. So again, 4 subjects, we know their average, but we don't know one of the subjects, in this case mathematics. Let the mathematics score be X. We substitute the scores of 3 subjects in the formula. He's got 65 in first language, 50 in science, 55 in social. Totally 4 subjects. We don't know the value of maths mark, we call it X. If you simplify, you add these 3, you get 170. 170 plus X divided by 4 is 60. Simplify, 4 goes to right hand side, 60 times 4, 240. If you take 170 to right hand side, we can show that X is 70. X ಏನು 70. So mathematics ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ 70 mark. The answer is D. Next, cumulative frequency question. The cumulative frequency table is useful in determining. Now, cumulative frequency is useful in determining median. For mean, we can't use cumulative frequency table directly. For mode, we just find the class which has maximum amount of frequency. The answer to this question is median. Median is the answer. 7th one. So we need to find median class of this frequency distribution. So ಈ ಥರ question ಬಂದಾಗ we need to find cumulative frequency. They've given the frequency. To find median, we need cumulative frequency. So we've written down the class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50. Frequency is given in the question 5, 8, 12, 15, and 20. Cumulative frequency. So first group is 5. Second group is 8 plus 5, which is 13. Third group is 12 plus 13, which is 25, and so on. So we get 60. Which means the total number of entries is 60. Total number of entry is 60. Which means the median is half of that, which is 30. Now, which class has cumulative frequency 30? This class has the frequency. So this class has the frequency from 25 to 40, which means this is the class which has the median. Which means this is the median class. So the answer is 30 to 40, which is C. ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯುಮ್ಯುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯುಮ್ಯುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಯುಮ್ಯುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಬರೆದು ನಾವು ಎನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀವಿ. ಎನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅರ್ಧ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. 8th question. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಆದರೆ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್. ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಸೊ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಅಸ್ ಎ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್. They have asked upper limit of median class. So we have to find median class and then we have to find the upper limit. Again, let's draw the cumulative frequency table. We write all the classes. We copy all the frequencies. And then we start writing cumulative frequency. So first one is 8. Second one is 10 plus 8, 18. Third one is 18 plus 19, 37. Fourth one is 37 plus 25, 62. And fifth one is 62 plus 8, 70. Which means n value is 70. Half of that value is median. Which group has 35 as the, that will be this group. So 10 to 15 group is where we will find median because 35 is in this class. Which means median class is 10 to 15. So they have asked upper limit of median class. Which is the upper limit? Upper limit is 15. 10 is the lower limit. So the answer is 15. The answer is A. So ಈ ಥರ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಆಯಿತಾ? ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯುಮ್ಯುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 9th one. This is also a median class problem, but they've also asked for modal class. Modal class nu ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Consider the following distribution. So they've given us a distribution. Then they've said sum of lower limits of median class and modal class. So we need to find median class and modal class. For median class, we need cumulative frequency. So let us write that down. So we write down the class interval. We write down the frequency from the problem. We start writing cumulative frequency. So 10 plus 15, 25, 25 plus 12, 37, 37 plus 20, 57, 57 plus 9, 66. Which means n is 66, n by 2, which is a median, 33. And which class has 33? This class has 33. So the median class is 10:15. What about modal class? For modal class, we don't need cumulative frequency. We just need to find the class which has the highest frequency. The highest frequency class is 15 to 20. Which means modal class is 15 to 20. So what have they asked? They have asked sum of lower limits of the median class and modal class. So median class lower limit is 10, higher limit is 15. Modal class lower limit is 15, higher limit is 20. So you add these two, you get 10 plus 15, which is 25. The answer is B. Final question. So this is a cumulative frequency distribution table, and they've asked for us to find frequency. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ frequency ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, not cumulative frequency ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು cumulative frequencyಯಿಂದ frequency ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೋದು, or we can just look at the question. So most likely these kind of questions you can just solve by looking at the question. So they've asked what is the number of families who have income between 20 to 25,000. Now we can see that 50 families have income more than 20,000. 50 families have income more than 20,000. 37 families have income more than 25,000. So 37 families have income more than 25,000. 50 families have income more than 20,000. So if 50 families have income more than 20 and 37 families have more than 25, it must be true that 13 families, 50 minus 37, have income between 20 to 25. Alva? 13 families have to have income between 20 to 25. Now you can quickly solve this by just looking at this problem and writing down. ನಾವು ಕ್ಯುಮುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಚೆಕ್ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ you can get an answer without worrying about cumulative frequency and all those things. You can just do it by looking at the question carefully. So we solved 10 multiple choice questions in this video. Hopefully you found it useful. In the next video we'll solve more. Till then, bye. Thanks.